Brian Felder here with MaxHousePrice and TVRG Homes. All right, you guys, here's that project in Bristow, Virginia. Look at all the updates. We're almost done. Look at this. You can see the backsplash and cabinets all been updated and refinished. Look at the new countertops, you guys. Look at the floors. Remember the floors were all scratched up before? Look at this. Look at the appliances. Looks like a brand new kitchen. Because it is. So awesome, you guys. We're so pumped. We got the staging coming up next, which is going to be really good. But as we walk through the house, look at some of the finishings. New light fixtures. Look at how much brighter this house is. It's so awesome, you guys. Look at the flooring. Look how big this family room is. Obviously, we're still decluttering and doing all that, but this is amazing. All the paint, the trim work, everything. New carpet, all new flooring, all throughout, you guys. Look at how it's spacious. From carpet downstairs, look at these floors. These are scratched up from pets and all kinds of just walk-through traffic. I mean, look at the powder room. That powder room at one point hadn't been painted for a little bit, and now look at it. Looks like a brand new powder room. As we walk up the stairs, look at the risers, look at everything just freshly painted, which is really, really good. As we continue up, check it out, you guys. You guys are gonna see something that's amazing. New fixtures upstairs, new carpet, all fresh paint. As you can tell, it's a lot more brighter. I mean, this house is definitely gonna sell. I know it is. All the bathrooms have been done. They've been updated. As we come through, look at the new hardware. Remember the pink room? Remember that pink room? Like I said, guys, look at the carpet. Look at the paint. Amazing. So awesome. And then the master bath. Do you guys remember where it was just that 4x4 square tile? Look at this. We're just waiting for the shower glass door to come in, but look at how big this master is, you guys. It's amazing. Brand new tile, brand new vanities, new hardware, new sinks, new light fixtures, everything. Absolutely incredible. These guys did a great job. Hey guys, check us out on the web, maxhouseprice.com, or on Facebook, MaxHousePrice, MaxHousePrice, all one word, Max House Price. Thanks, guys.